In this video, we'll give you an overview of the User Tag Manager feature located in IG Planner on Planoly's mobile app. Ready to say goodbye to the hassle of tagging users individually on a post? How about copying and pasting list of users from your notes to tag on post? The User Tag Manager feature lets you easily and quickly create groups of user tags to include on your grid post when scheduling. To access User Tag Manager, tap on an unscheduled post in your grid. From the scheduling screen, choose User Tag Manager, which is this user icon. Now from here, tap on the plus sign. You are now creating a user group. Now type in the name of your group. This name serves to keep you organized and will only be seen by you, not your audience. Now paste your list of usernames or type them out. Please note, Instagram does not allow using autocomplete or tagging private profiles, so make sure to enter all usernames correctly and tag only public profiles. Keep in mind, Instagram allows you to only tag up to 20 users. Any more than 20 will result in your user group not saving. When you're finished, choose to either delete this group or save your changes. Your user group has now been created. It'll be featured here each time you click into User Tag Manager. To make any changes to your group, tap on the pencil icon. To add a group of users to your image, tap on your preferred group. All users have now been included. Leave the user tags as is on the image, or drag and drop each to your preferred spot. To delete a user, tap on the user and then the X. When you're finished, choose Done to save your changes. That's a wrap! You now have an overview of the User Tag Manager feature located in IG Planner on Planoly's mobile app. To learn more about IG Planner, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.